Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
स्नान काम पामरो कृपा मांग पुनातु सर्वदार बंधु बंधु नन्हे सीकराभिष्ट जंतु दुर्विपाक नंद नंद नंतरंग भक्ति गौरव तीर संगमा विलास मंगलानुगन मंग पुनातु सर्वदार बिंदु बंधु नन्हे दीप चक्रवाल दुष्ट सप्त संजय श्री मुकुंद निर्मितोरु दिव्य कंत कंदे नीलबंज मां पुनातु सर्वदार बिंदु बिंदु माथुरेन मंडलेन चारुनावे प्रेमनत्त वैष्णवात्त वर्तनायक उर्मिदो विलास पद्मनाभ पाद बंदे मां पुनातु सर्वदार बिंदु बंधु मानवो कदम्ब गंधवा कदम्ब पुष्पराज तीरगंधो वागंध जन्मवन मांग पुनातु सर्वदार नंदिनी फल पक्ष मल्लिका काम सलक नराली भोजता तीरगंधो वागंध जन्मवन मांग पुनातु सर्वदार चित विलास वारि पूर्वो अश्वरापिनी प्रतिजाविदुर्मल पावन वल्लभेन्द्र नंदनागरा मांग पुनातु सर्वधारण तुष्ट बुद्धि अष्टकेन निर्मलो रुचि त्वामनेन भानुपत्र सर्वदेव गंगे भगवती गंगे मंडल पुंडरीक मंडलोत्तरं स्नान काम कामरो पाप संपदंगे मां पुनातु सर्वदारं सीकरात्मष्ट जंतु दुर्विपाकं नंदनंदनं तरंग भक्ति तीर संगमाधुरं मां पुनातु सर्वदारं दीप चक्रवाल दुष्ट सप्त सिंधु मुकुंद निर्मितोरु दुर्गे कांत कंदली मंग पुनातु सर्वदार माथुरेन मंडलेन चारुनाय प्रेमनग्ध वैष्णवद्ध वर्धनाय पंडिता उर्मिदो विलास पात पद्मनाभ मांग पुनातु सर्वदार बिंदु बंधु रम्भमान गोकदम्ब भूषिता गोकदम्ब भूषिता दिव्य गंध भाकदम्ब पुष्पराय नंद सुनु भक्त संग संग मांग पुनातु सर्वदार बिंदु कुल पक्ष मल्लिका सहन भक्त विठ्ठल गंधवा गंध जन्म गंध बल्लभेन्द्र नंदनांगराग मंगनाथ सर्वदार तुष्ट बुद्धि अष्टके त्वामनेन भानुपति सर्वदेव जस्तवेति भद्रयस्व सर्वपाप भक्तिपुरमस्य देवी हरे कृष्ण हरे राम
Srila Gurudev, we were going to ask you if you could speak about the glories of this particular place.
Oh, Spashamatrena. If you will touch Golok Vrindavan, this is Panchveni. So many rivers are here. Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Supreme Lord is here. So all rivers of India, very fire, auspicious, pure. All are here. Brahma has done
austerity.
austerity here for
To receive
thousands and thousands yajna, sacrifice his day.
to obtain Mahaprabhu's mercy.
And then Mahaprabhu, he got the mercy.
And the purpose of Mahaprabhu's coming in this age
Holy Jesus. This is to
liberate
the, all persons will come in touch.
Asuk.
So that you're saying that without Radhika, Krishna is like impersonal Brahman, Brahma only. And in Jaiva Dharma, it says that actually Krishna he's not impersonal Brahman, he's Purush, he has desire. So this devotee said, he asked you about this, and you said, oh, we will have to reconcile. So I would like to know how we reconcile these two. That
I have told that without Radhika, Krishna is Nirvishesh Brahma.
yes,
But in Jaiva what has been written?
he said that not Nirvishesh Brahma, but that because he's Purush, so he has desire, his own desire. No.
Desire, what comes, this is also a power. Shakti. Ichha Shakti. So Radhika is there.
Shakti.
Without Krishna, without Radhika,
He cannot
no
desire.
existence of Krishna.
No
Nirvishesh
desires either.
Brahma. Sometime in Murta Roop, sometime Amurta Roop. Some inside him, sometime outside.
Radhika.
Yeah. Ichha means Ichha Shakti. Radhika is Shakti.
Yes, Shakti.
It seems that Krishna is walking. But his walking power, that is Radhika, is walking.
Oh.
Krishna is smiling, speaking, seeing, everything power. Without power, how we can do that?
His Swarup Shakti. Without Radhika Shakti, he cannot be. His existence cannot be.
Without delay, at once they will give you Siddha Deha, and they will tell that this is your Siddha Deha, or this is your form, this is your name, this is your duty, this is your everything. Ekadas bhav they will give. But in our Guru Parampara, Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Kaviraj Goswami, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur has told as first roop mein. Clearly they have told. I was doing part Vajan Rahasya, and I clearly told Russian devotees are very proud, sentimental. They don't want to climb on a tree from the root. That once they want to go on the top. They don't want to do any labor or practice or nothing. At once Siddhade and Ashtakaliya Leela. But Bhakti Vinod Thakur is telling, try to do bhajans in the guidance of an expert devotee. First try to remove your all anarthas. Then Nestha will come. After that Ruchi will come. Go on doing. When totally all anartha will go, then Siddha, they will come automatically. Guru will give some guidance only. But automatically by his guidance, his Siddha Sarup will come. And thus he can think about his Siddha Sarir and everything. If anyone not doing any practice, and once that, I should have a kagas, any Russian devotees come to me and told me whether he is here or not, I am not saying. He told that, Gurudev, give me a kagas bhav. I told him, have you any attachment with your body? Yes, I have. You have sometimes any attraction for any lady comes in your heart? Goswamis? Oh, never. Then Ekadas Bhav will not come. And if artificially you will accept all these things, after some time you will give up all these things and you will marry with a widow lady. And thus you will be ruined. Life will be ruined. I know so many from beginning at the time of my Gurudev, so many disciples of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Russians and others. They left Swami and went to Babaji and took Siddha Day and they began to do practice. After 6 months, they left all these things and from there they collected lady, widows and they went to hell. Also nowadays I met with Abhiram and some others. I told that is what doing wrong. It is not. If you want Kalyan, welfare, then practice Bhakti Yoga and automatically when your heart will be pure, all these things will come. At that time your Gurudev will Siddha Pranali they don't know. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has told. Trinadapi Suninjana Tarunapi Sahisna Manina Manadena Kirtanya Sadari. After that Siddha Pranali will come. Like Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Rupa Goswami has not given unqualified person this. When you will be qualified, all attachment and everything will go and but you should hear from qualified Guru, Tattva and Rashi. By hearing all kinds of siddhas and everything, all leelas, everything comes. Nothing to do separate. We are here telling Harikatha. All kinds of Guru Tattva, Krishna Tattva, Shiva Tattva, Maya Tattva, Radha Tattva, Shakti Tattva, everything coming and we are discussing. By hearing, Siddhanta will come and also you will hear pastimes of Krishna. They will tell Siddha Pranali, but if I will ask what is Siddha Pranali, then they cannot answer. What is Siddha Pranali? So be careful, very careful. Don't try to follow them. I think if you are in my guidance, very easily you can attend that. But by them, you cannot attend. You know, Jaiva Dharma Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written, there were two disciples. One, Brajanath and Vijay Kumar. He told all kinds of siddhas. And in the end he told, what? You are Sakha and you are Shakti. In the end, so try to follow them. Don't try to take only fruit from the stalls or try to climb down.
What are the three fasts? What is the
Hare Krishna.
When I'm chanting Harinam, many times I fall asleep, many times, quite regularly.
When she is doing Harinam, when she is doing her Harinam, she falls asleep many times.
Very good. You can sleep. And after sleeping,
Take some
again
tea.
chant.
And take-
It is essential for this body to take rest. When you will be like Rup Sanatan, then no sleepiness will come to you.
Gurudev, when we are chanting, why we are not able to chant in the mood of always thinking Radha and Krishna? The mind always flickers it.
Because still there are so many unearths, unwanting things. So gradually when they will go, then you will be steady in this state.
So how to get rid of those anarthas?
How to remove anarth?
Be always in the association of high class Vaishnava and serving them.
But for the grahasthas, will this
Yes,
association
by
permit?
grihast you can have more chances to serve them.
Can you be more specific how to, being in the grahastha life, how can
How to serve when one is in Grihastha ashram?
You should know that what my Gurudev or Vaishnava are really wanting and try to fulfill their desire.
So what I have to do, Gurudev?
What he has to do, he is Grihastha. What he should do.
You should know what a real high class of devotee wants and try to fulfill.
He is having some desire to do
Can you know what I want?
to preach the mission of Mahaprabhu.
I want that you should know the desire of your Gurudev and try to feel like Rupa Goswami. He knew that what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wants, and he wrote so many books.
So what is your desire about me, Gurudev? How can I serve
So
you?
you should, if you will associate with me, then you can know what I want.
Then how should I associate with you?
I want that you should give up all your unearths and be pure devotee. Want that you should be like Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami.
So that can happen only by your blessings.
My blessing is always to everywhere,
But
you will have to practice.
to practice and to receive your blessing, you should again bless me.
What?
Again, blessings from you that he can practice and receive your blessings.
If he will try like Mother Yashoda, I must bind, and he practiced, then mercy of Krishna came. In this way, mercy of Krishna will come when Krishna will see that, oh, he is trying hard. So, this was Shramam Vipayat Sita Sabandhani. When he saw that Mother Yashoda is sweating, and he is very, very restless to bind Krishna. So at once he was binded by his mercy in this way. When Narayan saw Dhruva, no eating, no breathing, nothing, like a statue, standing on one feet, then Krishna saw very hard labor he is doing, tapasya. And then at once he came in the vision of, Prahlad,
Yes, ma'am.
father wanted to kill him in any way. But he was not praying, Krishna, that save me. But Krishna always sees his bhakts. And at once he appeared and finished his father. This way.
Gurudev. Gurudev.
Ladies should be like in this time like Draupadi, more like gopis. They left their husbands, father, mother, children and everyone. And one, being one-pointed, went to Krishna. Krishna wanted to cheat them. Oh, you should return back to your homes, your father, husbands. But they told that you are my father, you are my husband, you are almost all. How we can return? Because you have stolen away our heart. Without heart, how we can? You should return back our hearts and then we will go to our husbands. So, ladies should be like that.
Gurudev, you know, you're always saying that we shouldn't criticize or hear.
You know better
I don't know.
than me. What tell you?
I don't understand.
No, I
Very hard to know what.
I can't get rid of my accent, sorry. I can't get rid of my accent, Gurudev. You
Her
know,
accent very difficult.
Huh?
Very
Her
strong
accent
accent.
very difficult to
Yeah.
understand.
you know, you're always saying we should not criticize or hear criticism, but sometimes devotees, it seems like they're criticizing what may not be sure. So what should we do in such a situation?
I'm not understanding.
You always instruct.
Huh?
You are telling us not to criticize, don't hear any criticism. Then she's telling, if we are not sure, if we hear anyone speaking critical thing, what we should do.
It sounds like criticism, but we're not sure.
If we are not sure if they are criticizing or not, what we should do.
And maybe they're senior also.
But I'm not.
Anyone who is senior, she's telling, maybe they are senior and they are telling something, but we are not sure whether it is criticism or not.
There are so many shastras. Gita Bhagavad is there. Krishna words are there. You should, when you should hear anything, and then see and comparison. You should do comparison. Oh, is it right or not? And if not possible, then go to your Gurudev and ask. I am not understanding what to do.
But maybe you can also glorify if...
Then you have to tell what you are hearing, then Gurudev can tell you.
Those who are sincere, Krishna will
Dadami Buri
tell
Yakata.
as a Siksha Guru in your heart. He will inspire.
I'm not so...
And those who are not so sincere, nothing will come.
I'm not so sincere.
We should try to be sincere. What you will do,
business kar raha
oh, only that thinking will come. So if you will give your heart and everything, senses to Krishna, gradually, at the time of meditating, oh, Krishna will come.
Understand? What I doing now is bound to come in mind. When it will come in Krishna consciousness in properly and in proper channel, then gradually Krishna will come in mind. Chalo nahi wale. Gaur Premanande.
गुरुदेव
Yeah.
श्रीधर नाम है श्रीधर
Sridhar,
हाँ गांव से है
बहुत अच्छा.
कौन से नित्य गांव से हैं?
हाँ नहीं यसरगढ़
You are vegetarian? No? Oh, be vegetarian.
या अच्छा
Meat means M-E-A-T. Me eat to whom you are eating, they will take revenge. They will eat you. Mansa. Mangsa khadati. To whom you are eating, they will must eat you. So don't take all these things. Be vegetarian and then Krishna mercy will come.
Gurudev, Gurudev,
Chalun.
Gurudev, when we chant our Gayatri mantra and Thakurjis are in the room, should we, in the evening, we should actually face north direction. But when Thakurji is in the room, should we face Thakurji or the north direction?
Try to what? Adjust. Keep Thakur in such a position that you can worship facing east.
Morning time and midday.
Yeah,
and if
no
not,
problem.
then face towards deity.
Okay.
Try
बहुत चिंता होता है.
Try to reform him, but what can you do? Always associating worldly wicked person, not with good persons, so he has become like that. He should come in their association and then he may be okay.
Sachidananda Rupam Rasatkundalam Gokule Vrajamanam Yashoda Biyolu Kaladavamanam Paramisamadyanta Kojuchavam Yugmam jantam karamboja yugmena satam kanyatam Muhu sashakam bhatirikam bhakanta Pitagraivadamodaram bhakti Dikshali Virananda Kunde Sarvoshami Majantam Agyapayantam Sadhyeshitageshu Bhaktal Jitatam Guna Prematastam Shataritivam Mokshavadimba Nachanyam Rineham Varisadasimba Idam Teva Purnata Gopala Balam Sadame Manasya Virastam Tevam Nilai, Vitam Kuntalai, Snigdaratai, Stagosya. Muhuschumbitam Bimbaratpadarami, Manashavirastam Alamvacharam. Damurayanta Vishnu Prasida Prabhu Lukadala Vipavishti Vrisyati Dinam Vatham Vihani Shamamadhyam Vedyakam Atmajo Badham Chaiva Yada Ayamochito Bhakti Vajo Pritota Tata Prema Bhaktim Swakame Priyacha Namo Chegraho Mekti Damodare Purare Pidane Karyodaraya Vishaya Namo Radhikaya Kariya Priyaya Namo Nantalilaya Devaya Sutyam Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Rabindranath Chakravarti Thakur, he's written a very beautiful pastime of this particular stali where we're in now, in the Swapana Vilas. He's written that one morning, Srimati Radharani, she woke up and she was looking somewhat embarrassed. And Krishna, he inquired, "Oh Srimati, why are you looking like this?" And Srimati Radharani was quiet for a while and shy. And then Krishna, he asked her further, what is in your mind, what is in your heart? So then Srimati Radharani, she disclosed, "Well, last night I had a dream. And in that dream, I was beside a river, but it wasn't the Jamuna. And there were beautiful banks on that river, but it wasn't the bank of the Jamuna. And then I hear a kirtan, but it wasn't like a Vrindavan kirtan. And then I saw a very, very beautiful golden Brahmin boy, and he was chanting in total ecstasy and weeping and weeping. And while he was chanting, he was calling out, 'Radhe, Radhe.' And I was thinking, is that my Krishna? And sometimes he was chanting, 'Krishna, Krishna.' And I was thinking, is that me? I became very bewildered, but I felt so much affection for that boy. Now I'm feeling somewhat embarrassed at the amount of affection I felt for that boy. And then Krishna, he looked at her and said, 'Oh Saki, don't you remember I told you my pastime incarnations in so many different yugas and places? And this is simply one of those pastimes, one of those incarnations.' And as Krishna was speaking, his Kaustubha Mani began to move to and fro on his chest in a hypnotic way. And Radharani, she began to gaze at that Kaustubha Mani on Krishna's chest, and that within that Kaustubha Mani, Radharani saw her entire dream all over again. And then Krishna, he said, "Do you remember one time you asked me that women cannot understand, or women can understand men, but men can never understand women?" And at that time I answered, yes, this is true for everybody except me. Because in my incarnation as Gauranga, that I will actually take your bhav and your moods. And at that time, Srimati Radharani, she was feeling very blissful towards Krishna. And then this is a prelude, so to speak, for Mahaprabhu's advent. Radharani is witnessing this beautiful form, this golden form of Gauranga Mahaprabhu through this dream. So this pastime took place in this place. So this Nidhuvan is a very, very sacred place. And when we come, we can touch this dust, we can pray for these pastimes at the end of the night to be revealed in our hearts. This is actually for the devotees. This Nishant Leela is a very poignant time. It's a very heart-rendering time. It's when Radha and Krishna, they have to separate. And Radharani, she goes back to Yavat with the help of her Sakis. And Krishna, he's all alone at that time. And he walks back and he slumps from tree to tree in great feelings of separation. So these moods here can invoke the deepest union as well as the deepest feelings of separation that are about to take place when Radha and Krishna separate from this place.
Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jai Gopikan. Radhe 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 Shyam, Radhe Radhe Shyam Shyam, Radhe Shyam Yugal Naam, Mero Hai Jivan. Radhe Shyam Yugal Naam, Mero Hai Jivan. Oh Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jai Gopigan. Mero ek prana dana, eka hi hai jivan. Nanda Nandan Madan Mohan, Radhika Raman. Oh Nanda Nandan Madan Mohan, Radhika Raman. Oh Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta
qualified person,